Hello everybody. Today we'll try to see how to work with NSG2.1.jar file. So it is a software application written in Java code which is used for creating different scenarios like wired, wireless, and this is the reverse engineering part. Like we create the nodes, link them, add some application to that like TCP, FTP, TCP or UDP, and on top of it we generate different types of traffic like CBR, FTP, and so on. And once we link up your TCP from source to TCP sync on destination, then you can generate the TCL script and start running as usual. You do it in your NS simulator. So this is what we have to do. So you got something like a NSG2.1.jar file. So this software I dumped in our Moodle portal. You can just go to that particular NSG tool installation. There you can download this particular software. So once it is downloaded, go to that particular location. See that Java is already installed in your system. At prompt, you type this code java space -jar space NSG2.1.jar. Then you'll be getting this particular window. So we'll try to see up to here, and then we'll try to do a small program so that you can understand easily. So I downloaded the file. It is present in my download files. Now I'll be using, so before that, if you just go to Moodle, so here you can see NSG2.1.1.jar software. Just click on this. You can download this particular software. Okay, and after that we'll just go to the prompt. So here we need to type java space -jar space NSG2.1.jar and click on enter. So this is the window you are going to get. So here what I said, like wired scenario, wireless scenario, I am going with wired scenario. Just click on this wired scenario. So now we'll try to see how to create nodes. So in this tab you can see hand, node, link, agent, application, parameter, TCL, and so on. So just click on node. Okay, and how you want to align them. So you got something like single, vertical alignment, horizontal, and so on. You can browse, you can explore the other node. I'll start with single. So to create node, what you have to do is just place your arrow at any of this area. Just click here. It will create a node N0. And similarly, you can click once again. It creates another node N1. Now we need to link these two. Okay, that is like your wired communication. So you have got what is the link type, like simplex or full duplex, half duplex. So that you can see here. I want to use a duplex link, so I am clicking on N0 and N1. Now you can see a link is formed between these two. Now I need to use an agent for this. Okay, so here the packet size I am putting 1500, but I will try to use 512. Okay, and these are the different types of things that you have, like TCP, next TCP sync. You can use UDP, then your destination will be null. Like, okay, so in this case I am using TCP. So just click your node 0 and then your TCP. Okay, so you have created a agent for your N0. This is for source node. For case of destination node, we'll be using TCP sync. So I just click destination node N1. So now you can see your TCP sync. Now I need to attach your source and TCP source and TCP sync. Now you can see a link is formed between these two. This is mandatory. Okay, so in between you can have a number of nodes, but ultimate you have only one destination, and from where the data has to become, that is your source node. So these 2 points has to be linked. Okay, so once it is done, now I am going to create an application. I want to create some traffic on this part, so I am using CBR, that is your constant bit. You can specify what is this packet size here. I have used Y12. Okay, and what is the rate you want, like what is the start time, what is the end time, stop time I'll give 20. Okay, and what is the rate interval I can do 10.1. okay, now after this just click your source TCP0 and then drag it, and then here you got your CBR0. So once it is done, now we'll try to generate the TCL script for this part. Okay, so for generating that, okay, just click this particular TCL. Now your TCL script is generated automatically. So previous session you can see that I have been going on creating the simulator and creating nodes and so on, but here the script is generated automatically. Now I am going to save this file on my desktop. Try to save this file on my desktop with the file name wire tcl.tcl. okay, so now you can see your TCL script is ready. Now what I do is I go to the desktop where I created my script. So this is the script what I have created. Okay, so here just right click, open in terminal, click on open in terminal. Now directly you can see it is open, a terminal is open on your desktop, so you can see the files. Okay, so in this case I got wire.tcl. now by using your NS simulator I will be executing this particular wire tcl.tcl. so when you click on this, now you can see your simulator has started, but when the traffic starts is when you click on this particular play button. So here when I click, where exactly your traffic should start with, when it is reaching to 1 your traffic should start, and when it reaches to 20 your traffic should stop. Okay, so what I do is I try to, when it reaches to 1 your actual data traffic will start. So now you can see your data traffic has started. Now when it reaches to 20, so for increasing just speeding up here. Now it is at 7, 8, 9. Okay. Okay. 12, 13, and 15. I will reduce the traffic. So when it reaches to just 20 it will stop. When it reaches 20 it stops. So you can increase or decrease your time interval here. by dragging in this particular thing. Now we'll further reduce this so that we can see exactly stopping of it. So when it reaches to 20, it stops. So now you can see there are no further packets that have been put on this particular node 0. So it has got all the acknowledgement. So finally it stops. And when your total simulation will stop at 25. Okay. So I hope you understood this particular NSG